Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling what matters, mobile data for Facebook. Open Settings, find Apps, pick Facebook, and turn on cellular data so images can download. Once done, make sure background data is allowed and low data mode is off, otherwise photos may not load. You do this to let full-size images stream instead of being blocked or compressed. Also check your plan balance. If you're out of data, nothing else will work until you top up or connect to Wi-Fi. Now you adjust Facebook's own controls so photos actually show. Open the Facebook app, go to Settings and Privacy, then Media and Contacts. Here set photo quality to high or default so images aren't blocked or overly compressed. Once done, turn off Data Saver and permit autoplay for images and GIF so thumbnails expand into full pictures. This ensures the app requests full images over your cellular link rather than tiny placeholders, which fixes most cases where photos fail to display. Finish by restarting the Facebook app and your phone so changed permissions take effect. You'll be surprised how often that resolves loading issues. If photos still fail, clear the app cache in Settings app's Facebook. This removes corrupted temporary files. Make sure to test with another network or borrow Wi-Fi to confirm it's not your carrier. If problems persist, reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: check Data Saver at the OS level if it's enabled system-wide. Facebook may still be restricted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.